Plastic is at the heart of conservation. When we're talking about sustainability, we're talking plastic.
Sustainability is a big buzzword now. We're seeing an evolution in that throughout North America, and I'm very proud to be a part of that.
Plastics are already an amazing material that is the sustainable material of choice. What we're doing here at NPE is we're taking something great and we're making it better.
Plastic has such a great sustainability story to tell, and we're going to tell it. That's what NPE is all about.
Our goal for 2024 is to be able to gather 100% of the plastics produced here at the show.
Not only are we talking about the latest technology, we're also talking about the newest advancements in recycling and circularity.
We're solving the problems that exist as an industry and collectively.
We'll see you at NPE 2024.